Hey, future millionaires, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Jack. So you want to know how I made 1.7 million on Amazon without ever selling a single physical product? Stick around because I'm about to share my secret sauce. It's not what you think. You won't believe me? Well, stay tuned. But first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more success secrets. And here's a little sneak peek into what you'll learn. No. 1. The game-changing strategies I use to earn big bucks. No. 2. How I leverage technology to do most of the work for me. No. 3. The exact steps I took to find the right products to sell. Number 4. My best tips for avoiding common pitfalls that could cost you thousands. And number 5. How I continue to grow my Amazon business and diversify my income streams. You don't want to miss out on this. Now let's dive in. Now I know what you're thinking. How is it possible to make millions on Amazon without selling anything? Let me explain. Most people think that selling on Amazon means spending hours listing items, packing boxes, and shipping products. That's not the method I used. I discovered a way to sell digital products on Amazon, which means I didn't have to handle any inventory or shipping. The best part, these products sell themselves, giving me true passive income. But that's not all. Here's the secret. Amazon's Fulfillment by Amazon program. With FBA, I can upload my digital products to Amazon's website and let their robust infrastructure handle the rest. Amazon takes care of everything from payments to customer service, allowing me to relax and watch the money roll in. Let's break it down further. I identified problems that people were facing within different niches. For example, I noticed that many musicians were struggling to distribute their music globally. That's when I developed a tool that simplifies the distribution process. Musicians pay once, and their music gets distributed to all major platforms. No more complicated procedures. That's what I call value. Providing solutions to people's problems is the key to success. Next comes marketing. The smartest move I made was utilizing Amazon's built-in audience. When you sell on Amazon, you tap into a massive marketplace filled with millions of potential customers. That's like having a gold mine at your fingertips. Instead of investing thousands in marketing campaigns, I focused on optimizing my listings to rank higher in search results. By using the right keywords, writing compelling descriptions, and providing excellent customer service, I climbed to the top of Amazon's rankings, generating organic traffic and sales. I also diversified my income streams, constantly expanding into new product categories. That way, even if one product faced a slump, I knew my overall income wouldn't be affected. Now let's talk about the numbers. Within just 3 years of implementing these strategies, I achieved remarkable growth. Starting with a few $100s, I steadily climbed to 6 figures in year 1, 3 figures in year 2, and hit a milestone of 1.7 million in year 3. It's not about luck, it's about finding the right system and sticking to it. And guess what? The journey doesn't stop here. I'm still growing, still evolving, and still finding new ways to expand my Amazon empire. The key is to embrace change and adapt to the ever-growing opportunities in the online marketplace. But it hasn't been easy. Along the way, I faced challenges and made mistakes. There were times when competitors tried to knock me off track, but I stayed focused on my goals and persevered. The truth is, if you want to succeed, you must be prepared to face obstacles and learn from them. The most common pitfall I see beginners make is not fully understanding Amazon's fees and policies. Amazon charges for fulfillment, listing, and advertising. Don't overlook these expenses when calculating your profits. Now, I'm going to share my 5 golden rules to help you avoid costly mistakes and set yourself up for success. No. 1. Do your research. Before diving in, study Amazon's policies, fees, and best practices. No. 2. Start small. Begin with one product and one strategy and gradually expand. Number 3. Embrace technology. Leverage automation tools to streamline your business processes. Number 4. Stay organized. Keep detailed records of your expenses, sales, and customer interactions. And number 5. seek support. Don't hesitate to reach out to other sellers or experts for guidance and advice. All right, future millionaires, that's a wrap. I hope I've inspired you to start your own Amazon journey. Remember, success is within your reach. It's time to take action. Click that subscribe button now and join our growing community of online sellers. Together, we can crush it on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Until next time.